It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2019 E-450 cargo cube van or cutaway van. And it has seating for two up front with gray seats, and these are captain seats with armrests. They're manually adjusted, and this has a 6.8 liter 10-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, and it's a rear-wheel drive. It also has a CD player, AM, FM, and you've got a grab handle as well as a step to get into it very easily. In the back, there's a ramp and this big cargo area. As well, there's a pass-through from the front to the back should you need it. And then if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.8 liter 10-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and it's a rear-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Storage in the door, and you have manual locks as well as the manual windows. The driver and passenger seat are manually adjusted, and you've got this nice vinyl flooring as well as a step, so that makes it easier to get in, and the grab handle. So you just pop yourself in there. Your lighting controls are located there. Let's close the door, and then you've got your hazard lights located there, and you've got your tow haul on the end of your shifter. And this is an automatic transmission. I'm going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages as well as your odometer reading. And then in the center, you've got a little cubby. You've got your MP3, your CD, AM, FM, as well, the menu, your auxiliary. And then you also have your fan here, as well as your climate control, AC and max AC. And then you've got your 12 volts auxiliary line in there, cup holder, as well as your little bins here, and more cup holders and cubbies down below. Again, the nice vinyl flooring. The passenger also has an armrest, as does the driver. Your glove compartment, and then you're seeing your grab handle in the body, and your dome lighting is up top. And then right behind me is a little sliding door, and you have access on the floor. I'm just gonna show you there, and you can pull the pin. You're seeing some of the floor mats that were just there to protect it. And so then you're ready to go. 16-inch wheels, black handle and side view mirror, and you've got this nice big box, and you're seeing where the fuel cap's located, and it's indicating gas only. And I've got the back open for you, and you can actually pull the tab, bring it down, and lock it up. And there's also a ramp that pulls out, and you've got that step in the back as well, which is really nice. And as you get closer, you're going to see that you have the nice wood on the floor and on the side walls. And there's also a little door there that could be released and used to pass through from the front compartment, which has seating for two back there. And so if we just pull the handle up there, I'm just going to step up and then just bring it down. There we go. And I just stepped off, and just have this release, and then just hook it in very easily, and then bring this down. I'm just doing this with one hand. There you go. And then you're ready to go. And then you just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Up front in the cabin, you've got seating for two, and you can see on the passenger side as well as the driver's side, you've got armrests, which is quite handy. And in the center, I just wanted to show you here, you've got that pin in the hole, so you can pull that up either from either side, inside or out, and then that opens up so you have access to the back cargo area. Step and ramp in the rear, mud flaps, and this is a cutaway cargo van that has seating for two up front, and you've got the long arm side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more features. If you'd like to come in and check this vehicle out, we'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. You can also, of course, look online, and if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.